Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video, and in this video we are getting spooky with these Michael Myers press-on nails, so let's get into it. So I got these nails in my Shein spooky season press-on nail haul, and I am so excited that spooky season is here and I can finally apply them. So these nails have Michael Myers on one from Halloween, and then we got Ghostface from Scary Movie on another one with the tongue out saying "what's up?" And then we got the telephone, of course, that goes along with Ghostface. And then we got some blood dripping and a scary pumpkin and the pink hearts on the other nail to match the telephone. So these nails definitely come with different designs on a lot of the nails. It comes with 24 nails in the pack. So we're going to mix this set up a little bit. So I'm just picking out my nail sizes, making sure they completely cover my nail beds from sidewall to sidewall with no gaps in between, no spacing. And the next thing I'm going to do is use the small nail file that came with the set and gently shave the shine down off of my natural nails. Doing this helps the glue stick better to your natural nails, which helps to make your press-on nails stick really well on a roughened surface versus a shiny slick surface. Your nails will not last as long. So the next thing I'm going to do is just spray some rubbing alcohol on my nails and clean that excess nail dust off. And I am going to be using my LA Colors Rapid Dry nail glue to apply these nails. And the next step I'm going to do is put my e-file on a low setting and gently file the shiny layer off of the underside of the press-on nail as well. This is another step that will help your press-on nails last long because you're roughening the underside of the press-on nail as well as you did your natural nail, and so that glue will stick really well and your press-on nails will last much longer than they would if you did not do this step. And I'm only filing down about half of the nail, which is the same length of my natural nail. So you don't have to file the underside of the whole press-on nail. So next I applied my LA Colors Rapid Dry Nail Glue, a nice layer all over my natural nail, making sure I left a nice bubble of glue so that the press-on nail will stick really good. When you have a good bubble of glue, you most likely will not get any air bubbles between your press-on nail and your natural nail, and your press-on nail will stick perfectly. If you don't use enough glue, your nail will pop right off and you will definitely have an air bubble in between your nail and the press-on nail. So just make sure you're putting enough glue, but not too much to where you're going to have a lot of spillage. And after you get your glue on there, you're going to line that press-on nail up with your cuticle, not touching your cuticle, but just around your cuticle area. Press down and hold it for 30 seconds. Also, make sure you press down against your side walls to make sure that press-on nail is sticking to your side walls as well. We need full coverage, so press those side walls just like you press the middle of the press-on nail. So now I'm going to move on to my middle finger, and I think this Michael Myers nail is just everything. Okay, this is the centerpiece of the set, so I made sure to put Mr. Myers on the middle finger. So while I'm doing my next two nails, I just want to say that I am going to do something a little different with this set. I'm going to do my right hand in this video, and in part 2 of this video, I'm going to do my left hand with a different character from the set. And also I'm going to be using a different nail glue so that I can compare the two nail glues that I used for each hand. I'm also going to apply a glossy top coat on my right hand, and I'm going to leave my left hand matte, exactly how the nails come. So we're also going to compare both finishes of each set. So make sure you tune in to part 2 of this video as well to see how I do my left hand. So now that I have all the nails on, I am just taking the nail file that came with the nails and just filing down that little extra piece that comes on the tips of the press-on nails. And these press-on nails are kind of on the thin side, but they're very sturdy at the tip, and they're also long. So even though the tips are kind of sturdy, I just want to add an extra step to make sure that these nails do not bend or break easily. And I'm going to be using my dynamic duo, which is my base coat and top coat bundle I got from Temu. So first, before we apply our top coat, we are going to add a base coat. This is like my favorite thing to do with all my press-on nails now. It works so well, and it gives the nails a nice extra layer of security. It also thickens them a little bit more, and by applying the base coat, it allows your top coat to stick better to the nail. Instead of just applying a top coat without the base coat, sometimes your top coat can peel off of your nail or chip very easily because it needs that base coat to stick to so that it does not peel off, and it just helps your nails become more durable. So now that I got the base coat on, I am setting my nail lamp to 60 seconds, and we're going to cure that base coat for 60 seconds. And I will link the nail lamp that I'm using to cure my nails in the description of this video, as well as the nails, the base coat, and the top coat. And now I'm going in with a layer of top coat on all the nails, and then I'm going to cure that top coat for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to apply a second layer of top coat, which I didn't record the second layer, but I did apply a second layer of the top coat to all the nails. And I also cured that under the nail lamp for 60 seconds. So I applied a base coat, one layer of top coat, and then a second layer of top coat. So now the nails have 3 extra layers of thickness. So that definitely helps with thinner nails. And this top coat is so bomb. It's nice and thick, and the base coat is nice and thick as well. I have no complaints about this base coat and top coat. I'm definitely gonna start purchasing different brands of base coat and top coat to just try different ones out. This brand definitely has me in a chokehold because it be having my nails just look so flawless and shiny and glossy and nice and thick, looking just like acrylic nails. And I love that for my press-on nails. So I set my lamp for 60 seconds, cured that coat, cured the second coat for 60 seconds, and this is pretty much the finished look of the nails. They are super sturdy. They are definitely not going nowhere. That glue works amazing. LA Colors Rapid Dry Nail Glue. And in part 2, I'm also going to be using a LA Colors nail glue, but it is a different type that I wanted to try. So make sure you guys stay tuned for part 2. And of course, the last thing we need to do is apply our cuticle oil. I also got this oil from Temu. I'll link it in the description as well, because if you have been following my channel for a while, y'all know the rule is to always apply cuticle oil, because why? We do not condone crusty cuticles over here. Having crusty cuticles with bomb nails is out. That's just out of the question. So I don't know who needs to hear this, but go oil your cuticles. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I loved doing it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you are viewing this video and you have not subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? You are going to love it here. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. Make sure you guys check the description box for links and stay tuned for part 2. It's Vlogtober, so y'all just be looking out for a video every day, okay? Peace.